So let's just talk about custom exception in Python. So the custom exception allows us to define our own error types by using the superclass exception. So this will help us create more meaningful and specific error messages, which will be very helpful in case of debugging and also error handling. So previously in our code we have used this built-in type. So zero division error, this is one built-in type. Value error, this is also one built-in type. So now we're gonna create our own custom error, and there are several advantages of doing that. So first of all, we can have better clarity. So here we can describe the specific error type directly. We don't have to rely on any built-in types. And secondly, we have better control. So because we can handle different error types with different solutions. And thirdly, we'll be having better maintainability. So this will help our code easier to debug and also easier to maintain. So let's just create our custom exception. So we're gonna create one class invalid age error. So whenever we're creating our own custom exception, this should inherit from the superclass exception, and inside that we can write our code. So for now we're gonna use pass. So we're just keeping things simple here. Now suppose we have one function validate age, which takes age as the argument, and then it checks if the age is less than 18 or not. So if the age is less than 18, then it will raise our custom exception that we have created, invalid age error. And here also we can pass one message, age less than 18. So now whenever we call that function and pass one age which is less than 18, so it will throw this error. Now to handle the error, we must put this inside one try block. So we're gonna use the try block. So because this will throw the error, we have to handle this using the except. So we're gonna use the except, and because this is our own custom error, so we're gonna use here the error type invalid age error that we have just created as E. So here we're gonna print the error. So let's now run this. So we are not getting any error, and that is because here the condition is wrong. So when the age is less than 18, then we're gonna raise this error. So let's now run this. So now we're getting this error, age less than 18. So this way we can create and use our custom exception. And also the custom exception class can have its own attributes. So here we can use one constructor, and the constructor can take the age as a argument, use self.age, and we can initialize the age. So the custom exception can call the superclass constructor. So super.init. So we're calling the superclass constructor, and here we can pass the message invalid age. So this way we can create our own custom exception class which can be meaningful and specific to our own need. So hope you understand about custom exception in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.